The Manito Mangrove Forest is located in Albay, Philippines. It was declared as a mangrove swamp forest reserve by virtue of Presidential Proclamation number 2152 in 1981 and is actually one of the largest in the Philippines, spanning a little over 193 hectares. The 1990s has witnessed the degradation of the mangrove forest due to the cutting down of mangrove trees and other unsustainable practices. In this virtual tour, we will discover more about the Manito Mangrove Forest Reserve and what is being done to restore it. Mangrove trees are trees which grow in marine coastal zones and are recognized by their dense tangle of roots which appear above ground during low tide. The most abundant species of mangrove trees found in the area is the Rhizophora apiculata, which thrives in humid climates and saline environments, being capable of tolerating salinity levels ranging from 2 to 90%. Mangrove forests provide food and shelter to a wide variety of wildlife, such as volant animals or animals that can fly and marine animals. The Manito Mangrove Forest has been discovered to be home to at least 36 species of birds, including the endangered Philippine duck or Anas luzionica and the black-headed heron or Ardea melanocephala. Aside from birds, the Manito Mangroves is also home to at least 16 species of marine animals, one of which is the famous mud crabs of Manito. The Forest Foundation Philippines, in collaboration with ALBAFAI, an organization that aims to conserve the Manito Mangrove Forest, are working hand in hand with subject matter experts to develop an effective conservation plan to maintain the lushness of the Manito Mangrove Forest and the biodiversity that lives in it. Since 2001, over 500,000 propagules, or mangrove tree seedlings, have been planted in over 169 hectares of the Manito Mangrove, restoring about 90% of the forest. The community within Manito Mangrove, along with the help of ALBAFAI, rehabilitated the Manito Mangrove to what it is today, a beautiful landscape thriving with not only plants and animals, but with an inviting community as well. The Manito Mangroves have become protected with the help of people from different areas in the Philippines. Community-driven protection is what makes Manito Mangrove special, where people and nature collaborate with each other towards the future. Without the community, Manito Mangrove would still have been what it was in the past. The wildlife and plants would have seen a decline in population. Manito Mangrove would have been another wasteland if it were not for the community. The community is the heart of the Manito Mangrove. The conservation activities now is the result of the community's hard work. As of now, the guests can enjoy the view of the Manito Mangrove Forest and the Manitohan River for free from the docking area. However, ALBAFAI, with the support from various private and government institutions, is developing the Manito Mangrove Eco Park, where guests may enjoy various activities. These activities include an ambient boardwalk tour for tourists to learn more about the flora and fauna thriving in the area, followed by a majestic watchtower tour where a breathtaking view of the mangrove can be found. Visitors can even enjoy a calm river cruise along the Manitohan River, accompanied by fresh food such as the famous mud crabs sourced from the mangrove itself. The ambience of the community invites tourists to divulge into the full experience of the Manito Mangrove.